to share with all of you all beautiful people in India. And I would also like to thank Atomy India on the initiative of allowing me to share to the Indian members. So before we start today, I would like to say Happy New Year to everyone and also Namaste India. Alright, so today's topic, we will be covering few topics, and one of that is on the company intro. I feel that it's the basics that we should understand, the company's introduction on what is Atomy. As most of us understand that Atomy is an online shopping mall, something like what we already have, different online shopping malls, correct? So Atomy is another form of online shopping mall. When did Atomy started? Atomy started in the year of 2009. Where did Atomy started? Atomy started in South Korea, and in the year of 2010, Atomy expanded to United States, and today in 2021, Atomy has already expanded to more than 18 countries, and this year we are planning to expand to the Europe market. Alright, so why am I saying this? This actually let us know how stable is Atomy as a company. Always I will say a company's stability is very important when we choose a business. So when we look into Atomy, we are certain that Atomy is a very, very ethical and a very, very stable company. And all of us also understand Atomy has a vision that we have crossed 10 successful years, and we are heading towards 100 years of success with you, me, the company, and all of us together. Alright, so when we know that we have a good, solid, stable company, what is the next step in Atomy? It's about earning an income in Atomy. And as some of the members we have already know, in Atomy we have few levels of mastership, which begins from the first level of mastership, which is sales master, and then it progresses to diamond master, Sharon Rose master, we have Star Master, Royal, Crown, and eventually we will reach down the pinnacle, which is the Imperial Master. But I still remember this one thing, yeah, by the founder of Atomy, where Dr. Park Han-gil have actually said this: in all the masterships, what would be the most important mastership? I just told you the highest ranking is Imperial Master. But in all the mastership, what is the most important mastership? If you were to ask anyone Atomians who have experience building Atomy as a business, what do we say is the most important mastership is Auto Sales Master. As an auto sales master, I believe that the average income that an auto sales master makes is about 1,50,000 to 1,70,000 in average in India, and it can also go higher, depends on our pairing. But before we become an auto sales master, there are certain things that we need to prepare ourselves. And I'm very proud that Atomy India is leading the initiative of education to the members. And this is the most important aspect to become an auto sales master, where we should be learning how to become an auto sales master. The first important thing is we need to have the mindset of developing such a huge nation. We are talking about a 1.1 billion population market. Atomy India is ready for a vast business. But are we ready as a members? How can we be ready as a members? We should equip ourselves, alright? We should equip ourselves with sufficient information on the company's background. We should equip ourselves with the sufficient information on the marketing plan, and we should equip our experience of using the Atomy products. So once we have the experience of using Atomy's products, Do you think it's easy to share with others? Rather than we read about the products and share, why not we try the products and we share? So if you ask me, Sharvin, how can I do the business in a simple form? Number one, you have to do, join as a member. Do we need to pay any money to join as a member in Atome? No, absolutely free. There isn't any charges. We join as a member. What is the second thing we should be doing? We should be trying the products. Why is it important to try the products? Then and only then we will be able to share with other people, correct? With our friends and family, correct? So we try the product, and I personally recommend minimum, alright? I personally recommend try the product for at least somewhere around 1,800 rupees to 2,000 rupees minimum. Why? Is this the minimum figure the company has said? No, Atome doesn't have any minimum purchase, alright? But why do I say that have a purchase about somewhere around 1,800, 2,000 rupees? Why around that? Because every product in Atome is attached with something we call as PV. PV stands for point value, alright? This point value will determine your income in Atome. So the first step for you to start to accumulate your downlines or your group's PV is you need to ensure your personal PV is more than 10,000 PV, which in Indian currency it will reach somewhere between 1,800 to 2,000 rupees. Right now, with this personal PV of 10,000, and we have already bought the products, we have tried the products. What could the products be? It could be our daily necessity, it could be toothbrush, it could be toothpaste, it could be our shower gel, our body cleansers, correct? So when we try this product, we like the product, we are amazed with the quality of the products. What do we do then next? We will share about the fantastic products that Atome have to our friends and family. At the same time, now during the pandemic of Corona, I believe a lot of us has lost our job. I believe a lot of us is having reduction in salary. An additional income from Atome, would that be helpful? Yes. Is there any risk of joining into Atome? Absolutely not. So what can we do? We can share with our friends and family on the product experience that we have tried. At the same time, we can also inform them Atome has a beautiful globally connected business opportunity, correct? So when we can share about a globally connected business opportunity at no cost of joining, do you think people will be interested to try? Of course, yes. Now, when you develop your consumer, ensure them, alright? Ensure them that you give enough amount of information on the products, and also invite them for all the success academies, invite them for all the seminars by the company, so that they will be knowledgeable on how to run Atome as a business. Now, when you develop your group of consumers, let's talk. You are starting to talk to your friends. Let's talk about a number of, you have a group of consumers, you have a group of distributors, somewhere around 250 members on the left, 250 members on the right. When each and every one of them purchases for their personal need, it could be shampoo, it could be toothbrush, it could be toothpaste, it could be anything, body cleansers or anything, alright? When they purchase the product, they accumulate their personal PV. But since now they belong to your group, you accumulate the group PV. So what is the minimum requirement to become a sales master? To become a sales master, your status of membership should be a special agent, and at the same time, alright, at the same time, within a cycle, which is between the 1st to 15th or the 16th to end of the month, within a cycle, your group PV on the left and the group PV on the right should be 25 lakhs each. Wow, Sharvin, 25 lakhs seems to be big. But how about 250 members purchasing 10,000 PV? 250 members on the left, 250 members on the right. Each purchases for their personal need, and they purchases for their home need, and they tried for 10,000 PV, which is about 1,800 to 2,000 rupees, correct? So what is the sum that we are about to get there? 25 lakhs on the left, 25 lakhs on the right. Now, what do you become? You become a sales master. When that people who have tried, the group of consumers tried the product, do you think that they will be happy? We have world-class products. So when they are happy with the products, when they tend to share with more people, you will now become an auto sales master. So how do I become an imperial master? How do I become a diamond master? How do I become a Sharon Rose master? The simplest way, when you already become a sales master, be genuine, teach your members, help them to become an auto sales master, and you become an auto diamond master. Help them to become an auto diamond master, and you become an auto Sharon Rose. Help them to become an auto Sharon Rose, you become an auto star. They become an auto star, you become an auto royal. They become an auto royal, you become an auto crown, and then eventually you will become an auto imperial masters. Alright? So when we are talking about all of these things, what is the most important thing? You should be writing down your life scenario. What is life scenario? It is something I call in as your big why. How do you want to direct? If I give you the chance to be the director of your life, how perfect do you want your life to be? First, we should be knowing what we want before we get what we want. If we do not know what we want, how would we ever get what we want? So the first thing is you need to be clear on what you want and set a reasonable time frame. Set a smart time frame to attain that. And then talk to the person that I've introduced you. Talk to the leaders. Talk to Atomy India. How to be successful. Learn. Set your plans and act according to the plans. Put your action. Put your effort. Develop the group of consumers. We are talking about a nation with 1.1 billion population. And let's see, we develop 0.0001% success. That is already good enough to make you as an imperial master, my dear friends. Alright, so it is very important. It is very, very important when you are starting the business. You need to write down your life scenario. Be clear on what you want, by when you want, and just follow the life scenario strategy by Atomy Malaysia, Atomy India, Atomy Korea, Atomy Indonesia. In fact, Atomy Worldwide has the same language. When I started, a little bit to share, when I started in Malaysia, we have 3 communities. We have the Malays, we have the Chinese, and we have the Indians. When I started in Malaysia, there was quite a number of challenges, but what kept me moving? What kept me moving strong despite of the challenges? It is because of the life scenario. It is because I have a purpose. It's because I have a dream. So when you have a life scenario, you know what you want. Regardless of the challenges, you move forward. When you move forward, when you go towards the success, you associate yourself with more positive, more energetic, and more leadership-oriented people. Success will be there. I was just a member. I joined in, I tried the product, and then I developed a group of consumer. I became a sales master. Then I became a auto sales master. Then I became a diamond master. But does the journey ends here? No. We will be putting in our effort to help the members that have joined us. And as a good leader, we should never, ever stop until we make the people who have trusted us to become imperial masters. We should develop more people to become successful. Alright? And why do I choose Atomy? There's many business. Why should I choose Atomy? There are a lot of business, right? The only reason I chose Atomy, this is the most, I'm daring enough to say this, right? This is the most ethical company that I have came across in my entire life. I have an experience of doing network marketing for more than 10 years. In my 10 years of experience, I have never met such an ethical company like Atomy. And because of the ethics, that is why we are growing stronger and stronger. We are growing bigger and bigger. And we are being welcomed by a lot of nations around us. And such, there are also do's and don't. There are certain things that we can do in Atomy. There are certain things that we shouldn't do in Atomy. What are the things that we should do in Atomy? We should try the products. We should explain about our experience to our friends and families. These are the do's that we should do in Atomy. And what are the don'ts? Alright, before we talk on what are the don'ts, let me tell you, if we join Atomy, we try the product, but we do not share, will we become successful? Will we be having any financial benefits from Atomy? I doubt it. So, what is Atomy once again? Atomy is an online shopping mall. And why are we being paid by Atomy? Because we are doing profit sharing with Atomy. We are expanding their brand. We are allowing our friends and family to know about the quality of Atomy products. So when there are more people try Atomy's product, therefore Atomy will be making a profit. But the profit came because of you shared with your friends and family. And being a very ethical and generous company, what would Atomy do now? Atomy do a profit sharing. And the income ranges, alright? The general bonus income in Atomy India, it ranges from 1,300 plus rupees all the way up to 80,000 rupees per day. So what is the difference between someone earning 1,300 rupees to someone earning 80,000 rupees per day, Sharvin? The simple difference that we have over here is the number of consumers. Alright? Do not try to rush the process. This is my advice. This is my sharing. This is my point of view. Do not rush the process. And do not try to get to quick, rich kind of things. Because these quick, rich kind of things will always result in unethical practices. Alright? When we have unethical practices, that is when we would face an issue with the company. Because Atomy India is being a very, very ethical company and they are very strict. I believe some of the members who have already seen there are certain IDs being banned.